We will take back control of our borders. Well, according to the UK Prime Minister. In May 2025, the UK government just unveiled its boldest immigration proposal in over a decade, in the new white paper titled Restoring Control over the Immigration System. But this isn't just about border control, it's about redefining who gets to stay and why. Because now, contribution, integration and civic responsibility aren't just ideals, they're requirements. But behind this bold rhetoric lies a staggering truth. Net migration has more than quadrupled in just 4 years, rising from 224,000 in 2019 to 906,000 by 2023. And according to the Prime Minister, this happened by design, not by accident. Over the past 5 years, the UK quietly widened its doors, relaxing visa rules for care workers, expanding the skilled worker route, and welcoming more international students than ever before. Yet now, that same approach is being branded as unsustainable, a risk to jobs, services, and social cohesion. And the solution? A turning of the page. Slash migration across all routes, scrap fast tracks to settlement, and make every applicant prove they're worth keeping. So what do these proposed changes mean for those hoping to secure indefinite leave to remain or British citizenship? Could it now take twice as long to gain settlement? And how will new point-based criteria reshape your future in the UK? Let's break it all down. According to the foreword in the White Paper proposal, the Home Secretary states that the proposed reforms to legal migration are to restore order, control and fairness to the system, bring down net migration and promote economic growth, all underpinned by 5 core principles. These principles are as follows: bringing net migration under control through a more tightly managed system, linking immigration routes to the UK's own skills and training needs, introducing clearer, enforceable rules around family life and other categories, ensuring the rules are respected, from illegal working crackdowns to deportation of serious offenders, and fostering better integration, with stronger expectations around English language and social contribution. The proposed reforms are framed as a response to both public concern over migration levels and the government's broader agenda, linking immigration to economic productivity, national security, and social cohesion. At the heart of the reforms in the White Paper is a proposal to radically reshape how migrants move from temporary to permanent status. The White Paper introduces a new framework titled Earned Settlement. Right now, many people on work or family visas can apply for indefinite leave to remain after just 5 years, provided they meet requirements around income, language, and life in the UK. Under the proposed reforms, this pathway would be extended to 10 years for most migrants. Yes, double the time. The government argues that settlement shouldn't be an automatic follow-on from temporary migration. Instead, it should be earned through economic contribution, civic involvement, and sustained lawful residence. In the White Paper reforms, the standard qualifying period for ILR would be extended to 10 years for the majority of work-related and long-stay visa holders. The goal? To ensure only those who show consistent, long-term contribution are granted permanent residence. However, there are exceptions to the 10-year rule. Here are some groups who would retain quicker pathways to settlement: spouses and children of British citizens under the family route, refugees and individuals with humanitarian protection, protected by domestic and international law, victims of trafficking or domestic abuse. A major shift in the White Paper reforms is to embed ILR and citizenship into a points-based structure. Points could be earned not just for lawful residents, but for working in key sectors like healthcare, education, or national security. Demonstrating exceptional skills or innovation, particularly in the arts, science, and technology. Participating in community service or volunteering. strong English language skills, and civic engagement. Those who meet high contribution standards might qualify for accelerated settlement, possibly within 5 to 7 years. But exact rules and scoring will be set following a consultation later in 2025. In the White Paper reforms, the government has also proposed an overhaul of the Life in the UK test. While the concept of assessing knowledge of British values remains, officials acknowledge the current test is outdated and overly focused on trivia. The new vision includes aligning the test with the ESOL curriculum, possibly introducing oral or practical elements, and adjusting it to reflect the applicant's time spent in the UK. A final notable reform focuses on young adults who have grown up in the UK, but face barriers to formalising their citizenship. Many of these individuals are British in all but paperwork. The White Paper suggests reducing or waiving naturalisation fees for applicants under 25, simplifying the registration process for those born abroad but raised in the UK, clarifying proof requirements for continuous residence during childhood. This is a step toward fairness for young people stuck in legal limbo. If these proposals are implemented, the UK immigration system will become significantly tougher at the settlement stage, requiring longer residence, greater contribution, and measurable integration. But the flip side is this: a clearer, more structured path for those who meet these standards. In short, the door to permanent status won't close, it just won't swing open quite as easily. If you're still watching, I know that's a lot of information to digest, so here's a quick summary on the key points you need to remember. The UK government's White Paper outlines proposed changes, not yet law. Most migrants could face a 10-year wait for ILR under the new earned settlement model. Points-based criteria would reward civic and economic contribution. Life in the UK test is set for reform. Citizenship access could become easier for young adults raised in the UK. If you're currently on a visa or planning your long-term future in the UK, now is the time to get clarity. These changes, if passed, could impact your timeline, eligibility, and the steps you'll need to take. Whether you're preparing for ILR, citizenship, or simply planning your next steps, seeking early legal advice is more important than ever. We are helping clients navigate this uncertain landscape with expert legal guidance. At Compass Immigration Law Limited, we offer 4 core services to make your settlement and citizenship application easier. General advice. We provide expert guidance on requirements and evidence. Form filling. To assist with completing the application form. Application checking. We'll review the application you have prepared prior to submitting. Full application package, where we provide all of the above and more. Our experienced immigration team is based in Bolton, but we help clients across the UK and internationally. If you require professional assistance, don't take chances. Let us guide you through every step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates on the latest UK immigration advice. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of UK immigration law. Use the details on screen to contact us today regarding your application. We're here to help. If you've got a few minutes, check out the suggested video on screen now. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.